Everybody, this is Dave Cooper. We are at the International Builders Show 2025, and I'm standing with Derek. It says American Flooring Distributor, but that doesn't look like flooring, Derek.
Well, this is a new product that we just created. We actually manufacture acoustic waffle. Then we're looking for a company that can utilize like OSB boards or MGO boards to make into a finished product.
Yeah.
The good thing about this is a 100% natural product. It's made of a hemp fiber.
Hemp fiber, okay.
Yeah, so it's a 100% fiber biodegradable.
Yeah. Sure.
And it can stand 500 pounds.
Okay.
1 square feet.
1 square feet, 500 pounds, okay.
Yeah. And also it can reduce sound transmission.
Got it. Is this for interior walls, exterior walls, or both?
You can do both. So like the MGL bar, you can use for interior. Then this you can use it for the exterior.
For the exterior. Where is this all manufactured at? Because I see it's already set up with plumbing and...
We just try to show the people that how you can use this product.
Right.
You know, you still can put the pipes, put the tubes there.
So where does somebody get this product?
Right now they are not available for the finished product.
Okay.
We are looking for a manufacturer. Maybe can utilize our product to do a finished product. Let's put it that way.
And where are these manufactured at now?
Right now they're manufactured in China, but we can manufacture here if we have
the right partner to do it.
Not the right partner. If let's say we have a manufacturer, they're interested in doing the finished product here,
right?
And we can manufacture the fiber waffle here.
Right. So can I see that?
Sure.
So it's an OSB strand board, and then you did the waffle fibers, and I can kind of show that so you can see it, Vince. Right? And this, how do you say that name?
Nalexible.
Nalexible is the name of this product.
Right.
We have not seen this yet. That's light too.
That's very light.
And it's structural.
Very structural, yeah.
And you can cut all your plumbing and wiring in so it can run inside of this.
Yes.
Got it. Just a cool product we want to show everybody at NAHB here. So this is where the industry's going, right? It's sustainable, it's natural.
Yeah. Hopefully this will take off.
Yeah. You can screw into it structurally as well.
Yes.
Got it. Derek, thanks so much for taking a few moments showing us the product. I'm Dave Cooper. Keep watching.